Oh, yeah. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to have something special. I've got 4 of these massive lobster tail and some fried chicken as a side dip. I have some garlic butter sauce and of course my cheesy sauce. Alright, I've had lobster before but I've never eaten 4 in one day, so pretty excited. Alright, let's go for this pretty one. Probably the best looking one. Oh, man. It's a little bit cold because I got this a while ago, but that's alright. You know what? Cheese sauce. Oh man. Oh yeah. Alright. I've never tried lobster with cheese. Seems kind of wrong, but I've seen people eat it with cheese, so it does look nice, so give it a shot. Alright. First bite. Oh man. Oh man. Wow. That is really amazing. Oh, so soft. Oh man, it's so sweet. I was kind of worried that I'll either undercook it or overcook it. I was a bit skeptical about the cheese and the lobster, but this is the way to go. Oh man. Oh, that's so amazing. Let's try the garlic butter. Oh man. That is seriously so sweet. Let's look a bit of the tail. Oh man. Oh man. Man, that is so amazing. And I did not do much with the lobster. All I did for the lobster, garlic salt, bit of pepper, bit of butter, and I just cooked in the oven for about 10 minutes around 180 degrees. It turned out freaking amazing. Right, let's try some fried chicken. It's gonna be so boring compared to this now, but this fried chicken is still amazing. Oh wow. It's fried chicken, of course, is amazing. Oh man, I love that. Let's go in for another one. Oh man. Oh, just look at the size of this, guys. As big as my hand. I think I like it much more with the butter. So rich. I had to chuck this back in the oven for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes because I'm slightly undercooked. That's right. Now it's piping hot. Oh man. Oh man, this is like the best lobster lollipop. All that flavour on there and the butter. Beautiful. Mmm. Oh man. Flavour on this. I've never had lobster like this. That's so sweet. Oh man, that is seriously good stuff. I'm not even kidding, guys. It's probably the best lobster I've ever had. Mmm. If it's not too hot to one bite this, no, it probably is. Oh. Mmm. Kept forgetting that have fried chicken. Try chase with some garlic butter. Probably a little bit over the top, but it's alright. Still works. Cheese to the side because I mean it is nice with the lobster, but I don't know, it seems kind of wrong eating cheese with lobster. Alright, they're both steaming hot right now because chucked them both in the oven. My first time cooking lobster, so but that's alright. Piping hot. Oh man. Super, super hot. Mmm. Oh man. The juiciness of this. Oh, that's hot. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Oh man. Lobster is so amazing. It's making this fried chicken seem so boring. Sorry about the noise, guys. Dad's doing some work outside, so it can be pretty noisy. Last beautiful piece of this lobster tail. Man, I'm gonna miss it because don't think I'll be eating full lobster tail anytime soon again. So hot. Right, the last bite, man. I think that was like a bit over a kilo of lobster. Man. I enjoyed every single bite. Alright guys, that was freaking amazing. Thanks for watching.